And welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about sin x by x. You already know in class 11 limit chapter sin x by x formula. But today we are not talking about this formula. We will look at the graph of sin x by x. So in this calculator GeoGebra you can download in the Android phone. You can download in iPhone. You can use web. So whatever you want you can use. It's a very interesting tool, a lot of things you can do. So let me show you the way how you can find out. You just search in Google, write down GeoGebra and you will get the first website, geogebra.org. Start calculator means you can draw the graph over here. Maths resources are there, a lot of things are there, but we will see all these things later on. So this is the graph, 2D graph. Actually 3D is also present. If you want you can look at the 3D. So in 3D geometry chapter we will use this one. Right now today we are going to look at sin x by x in detail. So here is my function sin x by x. Sin x, everyone already know what is sin x. So let me draw first of all sin x. This is my sin x. It's so easy. You can use this in many questions to understand the graph, especially JEE Mains and advanced questions. So this is our sin x by x. So let me show you one thing, that is y equals to 1, y equals to minus 1. If you look at carefully, the entire sin x graph is always between minus 1 to 1. Okay, this is the channel, you can call it a channel. Maximum value of sin you already know from class 10, that is 1, minimum is minus 1. So here is my sin x by x graph, sinusoid wave shaped graph. Now sin x though we already know, but that is not our target. Our target is something different. Our target is to understand sin x by x. So what I am going to do here to make the graph clear, I am changing the amplitude. Okay, so what is amplitude? Let me delete this one. Let me show you. This is my normal sin x. So what I am going to do next, 5 times of sin x. So ultimately look at here, it is also sin x, but here the amplitude, maximum value has changed and the minimum value has changed, but ultimately everything is same. Wave shape is there, maximum value plus 5, minimum value minus 5. Okay, that is the only difference, and everything is same, exactly same. There is no change in the frequency. Now let me move to sin x by x. What I'm going to do, 5 times. I think it will be clear to you. That's why you can do 10 times also for your experimentation purpose. This is our 5 sin x by x. Look at carefully, maximum value is coming, that is here, which is 5. After that, as you move ahead, everyone, as you move ahead means as the value of x is increasing. Let me go to the tools. You can use these tools to draw. Over here I am going to use pen. So as you move ahead, either in this direction or in this direction. Okay, so what will happen, the value of x, absolute value of x will be increasing, and we know that sine is always between minus 1 to 1. Okay, so what is happening, everyone, look at here, between minus 1 to 1 divided by increasing x, what will happen ultimately, slowly the value will be getting decreased, overall value. Okay, so here I am writing that increasing x, overall value will be getting decreased, and that is the reason what will happen, at origin we are having the maximum value, at origin we are having the maximum value. In the right hand side when you are moving, or left hand side when you are moving, the maximum value is getting decreased. Look at here, let me zoom it here so that it will be clear. Look at here, this value. Okay, this value is not 5, it is around lesser than 1. Again if you look at here, this one, okay, again this value is again lesser than 1. So what is happening, the nature of the graph is not changing. it is also a sinusoid, it is also a wave shape. But what is happening, this amplitude is getting decreased, and that's why it becomes very interesting. In the in your engineering, if you will do communication engineering and all, okay, there you can use this function a lot of time, basically in signal processing and all. It's a very interesting function. So that's why sin x by x is coming into our picture. Another name is will be given, we will talk about the another name later on. So here this is the graph, maximum value is 5, keep on decreasing in both the sides. It's a symmetric graph. Odd and even function we already have, maybe you already know about what is odd and even function. So it is an even function, okay, because right hand side and left hand side graph is same. So in our next video, what I will do that I will introduce you the infinite series concept with the help of graph of sin x, cos x and e to the power x, because infinite series expansion is quite required in many cases, in many questions. So we will see with the help of graph. Okay, thank you everyone. We will see in the next, you will see me in the next video.